How to fix unable to set up voicemail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to resolve the call voicemail error and get your voicemail set up on your Android device. First, open the phone app on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on Settings. From there, tap on Voicemail to open the voicemail settings. At this point, tap on Setup or Voicemail Number and make sure your carrier's voicemail number is correctly entered. In the next step, if the number is missing or incorrect, contact your carrier to get the correct voicemail number and enter it manually. Following this, once the number is set, tap Save and try setting up voicemail again. Once done, if the issue persists, toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your network connection and try again. Finally, if nothing works, restart your device and try calling your voicemail directly by long pressing the number 1 on your dial pad, as this is the universal shortcut to access voicemail on most carriers. And that's it. If this Android guide helped you fix your voicemail setup issue, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.